everyone. Your Google Whisperer is here with some late breaking news on huge updates to the local pack in the Google search results. As you can see from the screenshot I'm showing here, Google has gone and changed entirely what that local pack will look like on the desktop. We now have the listings with the map right to the side of it rather than being on top of each other. Google confirmed this today with Search Engine Land and Search Engine Roundtable, so this is something that we should start seeing rolling out in the next couple of weeks. As you see from the real estate this is taking up, your Google business profile is going to matter more and more as they add in more information to the search results and take up that entire screen. You can also see as we scroll down a little bit more, Google is doing a lot of testing with those site links, the organic site links within the search results, so you may start to see all of those in one flip. Remember to keep checking back for all the new Google information, and to get that, head to synchrodigital.com.